Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Metabo buy more save more killer deals, guys. It's hard to resist. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, just the way YouTubers and platform by subscribes and likes. I did actually see this deal at the Facebook group. I believe the Dana Tools had this, guys. This pin nailer here, 23 gauge, regular price is $229. If you guys add the, let me just explain the buy more save more a little bit more for you guys. Hopefully I can click on it if it'll let me. All right, you got the nailer there. There you got the buy more save more. All right, so you spend $100 basically, and you get $20 off. You spend $200 and you get $50 off. You spend $400 and you get a whopping $150 off. Guys, definitely shoot for the 400. I heard that you can hack this. You can go into the store and return the tool that you do not want. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of great deals, but check out this deal. This is the pin nailer for $229. I did combine it with the 4-tool combo kit that's on sale for like ridiculously low price. 4 tools for. All right, let's look at the cart here. All right, it says total. All right. Volume may take slightly longer than normal to arrive. All right, what do I have here? Remove. Just removing all the old stuff that I had from before. Sorry about that. I should have done this before I started. All right, we got it, guys. So you guys know this, the 4-tool combo kit. It's $299. It's down with this deal. It's down to $129, guys. That's the reciprocating, the one-handed reciprocating saw, the oscillating tool, the drill driver, and the impact driver. Those are the, they're not, obviously it's not the triple hammer. It's still brushless tools. I believe they are brushless tools still. But guys, $129 for a 4-tool combo kit, Metabo. You guys are getting quality there. But check this out. Check out the pin nailer. $148, guys, down from $229, which that's what it showed. Down from $229. That's the kit, guys. Comes with the battery charger and the tool. $148. Definitely check it out, guys. There's a lot of great deals here to get. You can even choose to pick it up at the store, or you can choose it to ship it to home. I would suggest you guys do store pickup. It's free, I believe. So definitely check it out, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll see if I can leave the link down below in the description section to some of these tools, so you guys would go for that. Okay, thank you.